This tutorial is how to make intro video totally free. Go to penjoy.com. You can see lots of intro templates. Click more creations. You can see trending, latest, top. There are lots of templates here you can use. Find the template you like. Here I am going to select first success 2D intro template. Open in Clipmaster. In left side you can see lots of options. We basically use basic objects, download, audio plus music. In basic you will see video resolution. You can make up to 4K video. There are two frame rates, 30 and 60. I stick to 30. I am going to change the audio first so that no music copyright issue I will get on YouTube. The link for audio is in the description. Now we click toggle render and play to check the video. Now we are going to customize the video according to our need. We have to change the text. There are 3 texts you can see. It's 3 layers. We have to change in every layer same name. I am going to write my YouTube channel name, Photography Guruji. After writing the text, you hit enter so that it is saved. Then next text, same name, Photography Guruji, hit enter. Then on third, same, Photography Guruji, hit enter. Now we check the video. As we can see, the text is going out of the frame. We have to change the size of the text in all 3 text. Let's change into 12. Eleven is better. It is in the frame. Let's change all 3 into 11 size. Let's check. It's good. We can change the color of the text also. Let's change it into black. You can see it's changed black. Let's change into red. You can see the text change into red. Let's choose green. Let's play the video to check. It's working well. It's working very well. Now we are going to save this file, save this project, so we can later on make further changes if we want. Download project file. The project file is saved here, and if you want to load the project file in future, you just have to go to penjoy.com, open clipmaker and load project. It's loaded. Now we are going to render the video. For best quality, go to extreme quality slow. For this tutorial I am going to fast render. I am going to fast forward the video so that the video not going to be lengthy. It takes some time to render the video. Rendering is completed. Download your video. Check the video. It's working very well, and you can adjust the sound and also trim the video in later on when you use this video in your work. Kindly support, share, like my video. Thank you.